$2,000, $3,000 to $4,000 a month. What are you getting for that in rent in the downtown Miami market, more specifically the condo market? So if you've ever considered that or you're considering moving, then you definitely want to check out this video and stay tuned, because in this video, in today's video, I'll be taking you guys on a property tour to show you exactly what you can get for $2,000, $3,000, and $4,000 a month. And if at the end of the day, it's all worth it. So I selected some of the best spots, in my opinion, that I think you'll get the most bang for your buck. So stay tuned and let's get started. What's up, everybody? If you're new to my channel, my name is Steven Vargas, and I bring you every week a real estate video, whether it's about buying, selling, renting, or investing. So if that is something that you're interested in, then consider subscribing. And if not, let's just get to the property tour. So our first property of the day brings us to the One Miami condominium, which was constructed in 2005 and developed by the Related Group. To me, the best part of this building is its location, as it almost feels like you're on an island with unobstructed views of the bay. I love the sophisticated aesthetic of the encased marble walls and the sound of the waterfall. It all comes together beautifully to be a very inviting and relaxing entrance as you're greeted by the front desk receptionist. One Miami is also unique in that not only is the lobby attended, but you also have the guard gate outside, as you saw earlier, which just adds another layer of security. Okay guys, that's enough showing off. Let's head upstairs to our first stop. So our first property of the day brings us to the prestigious One Miami building. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath for $2,000. So that's the first price point that we're looking at today. And in my opinion, it's the best building that you can get for that value, because not only do you get stunning views, but the location is prime. So you're close to Brickell, you're a stone's throw away from Brickell actually. You're walking distance to American Airlines Arena, you're walking distance to Whole Foods and Silver Spot Arena, but you're also 15 minutes from the beach, 15 minutes from Edgewater and Windward. So everything that you want to do, you're centrally located here. But the best part of this apartment is the actual value that you get for those $2,000. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So as we walk down the entrance corridor, you're immediately greeted by a spacious living room with its gorgeous porcelain floor that gives off a more contemporary look. The kitchen plays very well in this open floor plan, as it seamlessly blends into the surrounding living space. The granite countertops and stainless steel appliances may not be the most modern by today's standards, but in my opinion, they still hold up. But honestly, this is what we're all here for. The views at this $2,000 per month price point are second to none. Completely unobstructed views of Miami River as it merges to the Miami Bay, complemented by views of Brickell Key and Fisher Island. Never complain about closet space again. Just check out this spacious walk-in closet. This bedroom is also a great size for its price point, ideal for either a queen bed set, but also can fit a king bed set if needed. And lastly, we have the bathroom, which is surprisingly spacious for this price point. Oh, and I almost forgot, stackable washer and dryer. Okay, that concludes our first stop. We have much more coming up, so let's not waste any time. On to the next one. Our second property of the day brings us to Biscayne, which is much closer in the heart of downtown than the last one that we just saw. As you can see, Biscayne is not as secluded as One Miami. The foot traffic increases tenfold in this area as you're surrounded by a ton of great restaurants and bars. Not to mention, the Bayside Mall is just a 5-minute walk from here. Coming into the lobby, you will notice that it's a lot more artsy than that of the One Miami lobby. In my opinion, it manages to remain reserved while still being a bit edgy. Okay, so the second option, Biscayne, is one of my personal favorites. I think Biscayne is a very underrated and underlooked building. And the reason why I say it's a little understated is because you get a lot of views, you get a lot of value, and a lot of space for the amount of money that you're going to spend, especially with the location that you have. As I mentioned earlier, you're right in the middle, right in the heart of downtown. So if you're looking for something with a little bit more energy, more traffic, more things to do, then Biscayne is definitely one of those buildings for you, because it's gonna give you all of those close by, near places for you to actually go around and shop and go to bars and restaurants and all that good stuff. But the actual apartment that we're in today is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's phenomenal. So let me go ahead and let's start with the property tour.
So as you walk in, the view immediately draws your attention. I love just how spacious this living room is. It's the perfect size for a large sectional and entertainment area, and the ideal property if you like to host. Why? This is why. The dining area blends in perfectly with the rest of the space. It intentionally stays under the radar while letting the stunning view do all of the talking. The kitchen, on the other hand, may be my only complaint. It's tucked away and not the main staple of the property, how most kitchens are nowadays, but that's easily forgiven once you gaze outside. It comes with the standard dark granite countertop and stainless steel appliances that were prevalent during this time period that it was built. But if cooking is your thing, then this may leave a lot to be desired, but to everyone else, it should be perfectly fine. Moving on, we get into the first bathroom, which also acts as the guest bathroom for the property, given its access from the living room as well as from the bedroom. Stepping into the first bedroom, you see that it's a standard size, perfect for a queen bedroom set. You can possibly fit a king bedroom set here, although I wouldn't recommend it because it may make the room feel cluttered. The best feature about this property in particular are the views from every room that you get, not to mention your own balcony to better enjoy them. The built-out closet in this room is also an added bonus, as it really maximizes the use of the space. Lastly, we have the master bedroom, which, not to be outdone by any other room, it too welcomes you with a breathtaking view. This room is truly spacious, and as you can see, you can easily fit a king-size bedroom set with 2 nightstands on each side and still have plenty of room. The balcony access is also a very nice touch. The master bathroom brings a lot of value for this price point. Dual vanity with his and her sink, bathtub, and glass enclosed shower, this bathroom has it all. You didn't think I was gonna leave without showing you the view from the balcony, did you? This stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bath at Biscayne is priced at $3,100 per month.
But like I mentioned, Biscayne is one of the best options, if not the best option that you can get for this price point. So if you guys are considering this price range, then come check this building out. I think it's definitely worth the check. But how does it stand up and how does it compare to our last property? Is this view better? Let's find out. So our last property of the day brings us to a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom in the One Miami building, which, if you remember, is the same building that we saw within our first property, which was a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. But views here are completely different. It's obviously much bigger than the 1-bedroom, 1-bath, but this one faces completely east and has unobstructed bay views. The views are ridiculous. There's no point in me actually trying to tell you about it. Let me go ahead and show you.
At just shy of 1,800 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo is massive for the price point of only $4,200 per month. The dining room area and living room area seamlessly blend in with one another, while the kitchen is a bit more private. The kitchen is accented with much lighter tones, going with a more subtle granite countertop and white cabinets, giving it a much more modern aesthetic than the other 2 properties that we visited. You still get the stainless steel appliances common with these types of buildings, of course, but in my opinion, the best feature in this kitchen is the breakfast nook area overlooking the Biscayne Bay. The master bedroom is the only room of the 3 that has access to the balcony. Spacious enough for a master and bedroom set with, again, night tables on each side, and it also comes equipped with a great walk-in closet. The bathroom is a bit more understated. There's no lavish renovations that pop out at you. It's just a simple single sink vanity and a bathtub. Moving on, we get to the other side of the property, which splits the other 2 bedrooms from the master. The wood style flooring adds a nice change to the property without making it look out of place. This room is the bigger of the 2 rooms, but it can easily fit a king bedroom set. Although they do not have balcony access, the views from either one of these 2 rooms are undeniable. The last room has a bit more of an airy and warm vibe than any of the other rooms we just saw and gets a ton of natural light during this time of the day. Although slightly smaller than its counterpart, this room does have a walk-in closet. The second bathroom is significantly smaller than, of course, the master bathroom, but it still manages to be a decent size. The biggest difference aside of the space, of course, is the fact that this one does not have a bathtub. And who can forget about the washer and dryer? And in case you were wondering how that looks like, here it is. With completely unobstructed views of Biscayne Bay, this is easily the best view that you can get for under $4,200. Brickell Key, Key Biscayne, Fisher Island, South Beach, all of those you can actually see from this vantage point. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now, just enjoy the views.
So what did you guys think about the 3 options that I selected? I mean, personally, I'm biased, but I think they're all great in their own right, and I think they all bring something to the table. But if you disagree, let me know in the comment section below. And if you found value from the video, then let me know by giving this video a like and a thumbs up and sharing it with somebody that you also think may find value from the video as well. And that way I know that these types of videos are the ones that you want to see from my channel. And guys, again, if I haven't mentioned it already, subscribe to the channel because I post videos like this one and real estate topics every single week. So subscribe, click that notification bell so that you're notified every single time I do so. And to everybody else, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the love and the feedback, and I'll see you all next week.